Hey everyone, welcome back to another iPhone tip on my YouTube channel. This time I'm gonna to show you how to change the tone of text message in iPhone. Alright guys, so whatever the reason, but I wanted to change the text message tone in my iPhone. Yeah, in your iPhone. Alright guys, so to change the tone of text message to your iPhone, just go to settings, just try to find sounds and haptics, just tap on it, and now you can see here I want to change the tone of text message. So here you can just find text tone, just tap on it, and now for me already is by default selected as a note, but I want to change. So guys, you can see here for me it's by default it's selected as a note, but I want to change. So now you can change whatever you want, you can go and just change that one. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it guys. Thank you.